Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to find Instagram friends on Facebook. For that, we need to go to Instagram account, click on profile, and here we have three horizontal lines. Click on that. Go to settings and privacy. Click on account center, and here you need to click on profile. Click on that. After that, here I have a Facebook account. Click on that. Just here we have two options. I was clicking on Facebook, and on the option of scan profile info, after on the option of scan profile info, you can find your Facebook friends on Instagram account. I will show you. Here you can see my Facebook friends are there in my Instagram account. These are my all the suggestions I have. So here you can see these are the my Instagram and Facebook friends. Thank you.